Alright, we are on page 66, add integers with different signs. Different signs. So if you look on page 66, it says, suppose the temperature was negative 8 degrees Fahrenheit at 7 a.m. 5 hours later, temperature had risen 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Find the new temperature. So you're at, here's 0, it's at negative 8 degrees. 5 hours later, it had risen 10 degrees. Find the new temperature. Anyone want to care a guess? Yeah?
Oh, it's 2 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yep, 2 degrees. I didn't say Fahrenheit. It is Fahrenheit, I believe, right? Yeah, it is Fahrenheit, but I didn't say that. The other thing you could say is, hey, I'm going to make a number line. Here's 0, here's negative 8. You go forward 10. Well, here's your 8 right here. Your first 8 gets you to 0. Your next 2 gets you to positive 2, and that's where you end up at. Positive 2. If you go to page 68, you can see evaluate negative 12 plus 6. Negative 12 plus 6. Again, I start off at 0, negative 5, negative 10, 11, 12. And I'm going forward 6, so I'm going to tell myself, hey, I go this way 6, negative 12, I go forward 6, I'm going to end up at, what? Yeah. 8? Negative 8? Nope, you're at negative 12, you're going forward 6. Negative 6. Think about it, if you were at positive 12 and you went back 6, positive 12, you go back 6, then you would end up at 6. So negative 12, you go forward 6, you end up at negative 6. And let's see here. Negative 10 plus 3, negative 9 plus 2, and 11 plus a negative 23. Okay, who wants this one? Go, who wants this one? Okay, that one's yours.
What?
That one's yours. You can have this one. What do you want?
I'll make their 9 plus 2.
Okay, and then,
Negative 10 plus 3.
okay, go for it. You guys got 30 seconds. Nope, not on the board, on your paper. Then show me the work on your paper with the number line. Where are you going? You got paper right here. This is your notes.
Oh, that paper. Okay.
I'm done. I can show you my board.
10 seconds. Okay, negative 10 plus 3. We start at 0. Here's negative 10. We go forward 3. We end up at?
Negative 3.
Yep. Negative 7. Negative 9 plus 2. Start off at 0. We're back here at negative 9. Go forward 2. We end up at?
Negative 7.
Negative 7. I'm sensing a trend here. 11 plus a negative 23. 0, 5, 10, 11 plus a negative 23. Negative 13? Nope.
Negative 4.
Negative 4? Nope.
No, negative 12.
Negative 12, correct. So what you need to look at when you're doing this one is saying, hey, I have a positive and negative, so am I going forward or backwards?
Forward.
Backwards, because positive means you're going forward, but it is a negative number, and if you have one of each, which one wins out?
Negative.
Negative wins out. So you gotta think, hey, I have 11. Well, I can go back 11 here. How much further can I go back? 23 minus 11 is 12. So I have 12 more I can go back, which means I end up at negative 12. This is why it's really important to draw the number line. because it took you guys 3 guesses, at 3 quote unquote guesses, 3 tries as a group before one of you got it. That's why the number line is important. All right, next page. -9, so here we're doing with 2 integers with different signs. So -9 plus 2 plus a -3. -9 plus 2 plus a -3. What do we do here? Yeah?
So you do a number line first. Okay. And put on 0, and then you do -9.
Okay?
And then you do, -3 again. No, you do +3.
Nope.
Oh no, you just put it.
I will give you 1 clue here.
Actually, it's so hard. Maybe you do the +0 and then you do a -3 and you just -10.
What do you do? What is this from? Yeah, what's PEMDAS? I heard part of it. Order of operations. The first thing you do is parentheses. Well, the only thing here, this is a parentheses, it's just telling you it's a negative number. Because you can't say just, if it's a negative number, adding a -3, so there's nothing to evaluate with that. Evaluate just tells me, tell me what the value is. Any exponents? Any multiplication or division? Addition or subtraction? Yes. What is significant about this then? Yeah?
You do addition and subtraction left to right.
Left to right. So if you see only addition and subtraction, you just say, hey, I'm gonna work one thing at a time, starting from the left, going to the right. Yep, that's fine. So I'm at -9 and I need to do what?
Add 2.
Add 2, which puts me at what? Not 7. -7. If you want to cross this out and write -7, so then you can say, hey, I got -7 plus a -3, that's fine. But I have at -7 now. Am I going forward or backwards? Plus a negative, which one wins out? Negative. So am I going forward or backwards? How much backwards? 3. 1, 2, 3. I end up at, whoop, that's -12. -10. Yes, that is my answer. So I do one at a time. Let's go. 8 and 9 on the bottom of page 70. 10 plus -3 plus 6. And -7 plus a -23 plus 15. Okay, you want the first one? Who else wants the first one? You either get the first or the second one.
First.
You want the first? Alright, the rest of you guys get the second one then. Go ahead. I want to see it on your number lines. We'll go 3. Yeah? 13? So tell me what I'm doing.
So 10 and then you subtract 3.
Subtract 3 because plus a negative means you're going forward. Plus means forward, negative means backward, negative wins out. So yep, you're going back 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. So you could cross out this and write 7 if you wanted.
And you add
7 plus 6. That's going to put you at
13.
13, correct. That was the easy one. Alright, what about this one? Ah, they're still working. Yep.
-1.
-1. Alright, well, show me what I'm doing first.
Alright, well, first thing you're gonna wanna do is subtract, negative, is that an addition sign?
Yep,
Oh,
adding.
Oh, okay, I did it wrong then.
Okay.
Never mind.
Well, walk me through it then. I'm at -7. Am I going forward or backwards?
Backward.
How much?
2, 1, you're at -7 plus, yeah, so, 23.
So, if I'm at -7, I go back 23 further, what's that gonna put me at? Think about it.
30.
-7,
Negative
back
7.
23. What?
Negative 30.
Yes, -30. And then I'm going what, forward or backward?
Backward.
I got -30 left. -30 plus 15, forward or backward? No. Because -30 is where you are, and then you are going forward. Remember the whole like plus and negative right next to each other? That for addition and subtraction, that is only when they are right next to each other. Multiplication and division is a different thing because you're multiplying a number times another number. But addition and subtraction, it's only when the two things are right next to each other does the negative win out. For this, you got to remember, hey, we're starting at -30, we're going forward 15. So -30 going forward 15 puts us at,
Negative 15.
yep, -15, which actually is just because I drew this out of proportion. Yep, and that happens. People read it wrong all the time. But that's one thing. That mistake is super, super common. So make sure you're paying attention to that. And I think you guys should be good to go for the assignment.